Don't say that too early, Brady.
Where are you? Are you? Yeah, you're
Like right in front
I'll
of
be
me.
good.
I think the trout are starting to catch the gist. Maybe not.
Oh.
Yeah, he's biting, man.
Yeah, but I didn't. I had slack there.
We were trying to follow it right up to here.
No, but I didn't have my line tight. Watch this. Right here. It's gonna be the one. Like that. Nice brown. Oh, I got off. Oh, yours got off too. Brutal.
Watch this. Philly Cream with his first cast
Right
before
over
we were
to
getting a fish on. That is.
There it is. Oh my word, I keep losing them.
Noah, this is why I like this bait here.
You got one? Hey, Brady.
I got a fish.
There we go, there we
Look
go.
at him.